What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Lately, I've been, thinking about motovlogging. I see everybody doing it. Their videos are so cool. I want to get a bigger audience, have more content than what I actually do have. A couple guys helped me out, as well as, a few videos on YouTube on what I need, as far as what to put on your helmet and everything. So today I'm just going to go over that and show you the equipment that I got. It's fairly cheap. Most of the things I got were all on Amazon. So first things first, you need that GoPro. You don't gotta go, excuse my baby girl in the background. But if you don't got that GoPro, there's other cameras out there. I'm not sure of which ones, but I personally use the Hero 7. Next, what I learned is that none of this is gonna work without this baby right here. It's a GoPro mic adapter. Pretty much you hook your GoPro into that, and that's gonna help pick up the sound from the external mic that you're using. So make sure you grab that. And with the last couple things, had to get that external mic. Every friend, every person I talked to, everybody that helped me pretty much says a Purple Panda. So I had to pick up the Purple Panda. I got that off of Amazon for fairly cheap. It was like 20 to 30 bucks. Not expensive at all. And also with that, had to get a new case for GoPro. It carries the adapter with the camera itself. So that's pretty much the setup that I was told I needed. Pretty soon I want to show you guys how to hook everything together. So I'll go ahead and start getting everything out of the boxes. Hopefully, I pray to God that this shit is easy to wire up, because I hate wiring shit up, especially in my motorcycle helmet, because it's such a tight space. And one thing I do want to know too that I forgot is that with the mic adapter, make sure that you get the correct one. As you can see here, this one works specifically for the 8, the 7, the 6, and the 5. Let's go ahead and get these out of the boxes like I said before. All right. So we got the GoPro, the adapter, the Purple Panda. We got the case. Let's go ahead and get the GoPro in the case. With this case, it has a back door that slides open. It's not like the normal GoPro case where it actually has the top latch and you pull it down and all that. There's a little switch here. You hit that, slides open and comes out. You're gonna have to take the door off of the GoPro. So on the Hero 7, you literally just pull it off. We'll set that to the side somewhere. So yeah, back in the case. We can slide the door back on. And the adapter slides in. Then we'll go ahead and hook in the USB-C into the GoPro, like such. And last, we got the Purple Panda. Let's get this out. A bunch of wires. I don't like that. But I was told by a guy in a forum that I needed a 2-ring adapter. And I think it comes in here, if I can find it. Okay, yeah, this is it. He said that the 3-ring does not work with the Hero 7 unless you have the adapter. It just won't pick up sound. So we'll make sure we hook that in before we even hook in the 3-ring piece here. As you can see, there's a difference. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we'll get this in the GoPro. And it hooks into the adapter there. And this long, obnoxious cord. Let's just come with this out. Goes into the adapter. And it does come with the dead cat, to keep wind noise and everything out, so your sound quality doesn't sound shitty as hell. We'll go ahead and get this on the mic. Like such, if I can find the hole. Man, I usually don't struggle with that. Let's see here. All right, there it is. All right. So now that's on, I'll go ahead and get the helmet up on the table, get everything wired in. I'm not going to show that. That's going to take forever. I got to take all the padding out, and every helmet is different. So just wire yours up to your best ability. I'm going to do that same thing for myself. and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after, all right?
Stuck in my ways and I'm never gonna change. You can't hate on me, young and I know better. Speaking your language and law, I don't give a fuck, so I'm calling you Rosetta. When it rain, double R's on my umbrella. I know the pain, now I'm looking for a vendetta. Red roses on your pedestal.
Guys, that's the Hummer right there, man. Looks good to me. It'll get the job done. I got all the wires tucked in inside the helmet under the padding, man, like I said, so pretty happy with it, man. I got electrical tape right here. It's basically holding down the adapter so it doesn't fling everywhere while I'm riding, you know, due to the wind. But yeah, man, it looks good, man. It looks great. Super happy with it. I put links down in the description for everybody. If they want to, you know, purchase the same stuff that I got for themselves, if they want to start motovlogging. But other than that, man, hope y'all have a good day. Peace.
And I'm never gonna change. You can't hate on me, young and I know better.